In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to update your personal information in Bank of America online and mobile. Keeping your contact details current ensures you get important alerts, statements, and security notifications without delay. Let's walk through the process clearly so you can make updates with confidence. Start by signing into Bank of America either through online banking on your browser or the official mobile banking app. Use a trusted internet connection and the bank's verified app or website. If you're prompted for additional verification, that's normal. It's there to protect your account. Once you're in, head to Profile and Settings. On desktop, you'll usually find this by selecting your profile icon or name in the upper right. In the mobile app, look for the menu or profile area at the bottom or top of the screen. Profile and Settings is where the bank centralizes your personal details so you can review and update them in one place. From there, choose the sections you want to update. For your address, enter the new street, city, state, and zip, and double-check for typos. For your phone number, select your primary contact number and confirm whether it should receive text alerts. For your email, update to the address you check most often, since that's where important messages and security confirmations may be sent. You can also review other personal details like your preferred contact method. When you're done, save your changes. The system may send a one-time security code or ask you to confirm, which helps prevent unauthorized edits. If you prefer another method, you have options. You can call the customer service number listed on the back of your card or on the official website for help with updates. You can also use the Erica virtual assistant in the app. Just search for Erica and type something like update address or change email and follow the prompts. And for certain updates, such as a legal name change, visit a branch so a representative can verify your documents. Bring government-issued identification and any required legal paperwork to make the process smooth. Most changes take effect after you submit and confirm them. Watch for an on-screen confirmation and a follow-up email or alert. If you don't see your updates reflected right away, give it a little time and then revisit Profile and Settings to verify. Keeping your information accurate helps ensure seamless access to your accounts and timely communication from the bank. That's it. Simple, secure, and straightforward. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you update your details with ease.